Ataramu wa maundu megie indo iria cikaraga maai-ini na wonjoria wa maai-ini kuuma Mabururi ma gitaru kia Afrika maria makoragwo na mariia ni magomanite mwena wa Mombatha muoroto wari kwarira mitaratara na mawatho makuramata wonjoria wa maai-ini niguo blue economy. Ataramu aya makihithuria mabururi ma Afrika maria mari na utonga munene wa maai-ini matihotete kuyukia utonga uyu wega magikia ritana ria unyitaniri niguo gutahia utonga uyu.
When we talk of aquatic biodiversity, what comes to our mind first is fishing. What about transportation? What about mineral resources, oil and gas? All those things are all resources that need to be tapped and tapped in a responsible manner.
This kind of project helps in the implementation of the African Blue Economy Strategy, which sets us through to the Agenda 2063, the Africa we want, that really emphasizes the importance of our blue economic resources for sustainability.
Hamwe noguo ni morotete wagi wa mawatho makuramata wonjoria wa maai-ini ari mamwe ma moritu maria mahotometie blue economy makiuria muingi witikire kuyukia wonjoria wa maai na kinyi.
It's important again for climate change mitigation, for the wealth of our aquatic biodiversity, and hopefully for future generations, and very importantly for coastal communities whose livelihoods depend very much on fisheries.
Umenyereri wa maria maturigishirie oro hamwe na umenyereri wa mariia ni ugwetetwo ta gitugi kinene kia ukinyaniria wa maya mothe.
Also helps us to take a closer look at the fisheries sector, which we know in our continent has been some cases overexploited, and this project helps us to advocate for the regulation of activities relating to fisheries.
To build capacity to also control and enforce those regulations so that people will benefit from them, so that the multinational organization coming in to fish will fish side by side with the local people who are in their boats.